Hey you guys, it's Peter, and welcome to my channel. Peter! Boom, 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 boom. I have so much stuff out here. I don't know where to put it. Review stuff. Welcome to my channel, you guys. How are you? We are doing a review video today. Well, really an unboxing of my new Keurig. This is my old Keurig that I have had for years. This is the first generation Keurig. I bought this when the Keurigs first came out. And so I am bidding farewell to this dusty Keurig. I finally purchased a new one. Let me tell you, so you were a good Judy to me. I loved you. Many, many nights while I was writing my book, I relied on you. You're gone. You're gone. We just need to put you away now. That's where she was. She was over there. We're gonna put her away. But anyway, let me tell you, before I get into this video, I want to say a couple things. I'm going to unbox my new Keurig. I'm going to explain how I got to the decision of buying the Keurig. I have all of my Keurig cups, K-cups over here. I want to show you the old ones and the new ones. But so many people recommended on my vlog which Keurig I should buy, which this thing is choking me. Okay. Now that looks like too much. Oh, Rico Suave. So many people recommended to me which single cup coffee brewer I should buy. So I'm going to talk about that in just a second. But I just want to say, I know that the majority of us right now are at home. So I will continue to post videos on this channel every single day. It won't be a lot of food reviews, although I did purchase 2 things at the grocery store the other night when I went that I am saving for later in the week to do some kind of well, these are always fun reviews over here. But I just want you guys to know that I'm thinking of you, and please stay safe and stay kind to one another while we're going through all of this together. And yeah, and I will continue to be over here probably driving my husband crazy, who will be at home not working while I am reviewing stuff. He'll be like, oh, so this is what I do all day long. So anyway, let me tell you what happened. I wanted to get a new Keurig. Well, I've been wanting to get one for a while. I also don't know at what point that Starbucks will completely close down. For most of you that watch my channels, you know that I go to Starbucks every day. And so I was like, well, I'd like to have a new coffee maker at home so I can still have iced coffee. Now, I know that I can make coffee and pour it over ice. It's really that easy. But I wanted a coffee maker that, like a Keurig, that, when I say Keurig, that's how I call Cokes that are like Coke and Pepsi, you know. Keurig for me is kind of what I call everything that's a single cup brew, if that makes sense. I also have a beautiful Cuisinart coffee maker over here that my cousin Caroline bought me. You know my cousin that, we had the same grandma that went to prison, if you didn't know. Anyway, it's sitting over there, she gave me. I rarely make a pot of coffee anymore, but I think I might start doing that if I'm at home, just to have coffee throughout the day, as if I need any more caffeine in my life. Okay, so I mentioned on a vlog that I wanted to get a new single brew cup coffee maker. Now, originally, I wanted to get the one that makes lattes, because my sponsor, not sponsored video, my sponsor in recovery, she got one, and she's obsessed with it, and she's like, oh my god, I'm drinking 15 lattes a day. She's making all kinds of lattes at home. So I thought, well, that would be really fun, but I don't drink a lot of lattes, see? I drink a lot of iced coffee, not lattes. So I went and I started looking at the Meyer, and I looked at all of them. I looked at them online. I asked on my vlog. Well, when I asked on my vlog, the majority of people told me that I should actually purchase the Coffee Ninja. So then I started looking at the Coffee Ninja online. They had one at the Meyer. I became obsessed with the Coffee Ninja. The Coffee Ninja in price is actually really reasonable compared to the Keurigs. The Keurigs are really high priced in comparison to the Cuisinarts, the Coffee Ninja, the other brands that are out there. The Keurigs, which are probably lower cost, are probably not as nice, are more expensive than the other ones, if that makes sense. The other thing that people told me was that the K-Cups are actually not super environmentally sound. So I will be recycling these, but I wanted something that I could use a single brew, and I like the pods. I like to buy these. I enjoy that. So I started looking, and I looked at everything, and what I finally decided to do was, now the reason I didn't get the Coffee Ninja was because it had all these things that you could do, but like a milk frother, and you can make all these specialty drinks, but in all reality, I'm not going to do that. It also is supposed to bring out the richness of the coffee and stuff, but I really don't care about all that kind of stuff. I really don't. I just like a really good basic cup of coffee, if that makes sense. So I ended up buying the Keurig Elite. Now, the reason that I bought this one, okay, is because it has 5 different cup sizes on it. Now, I think this was $174. I actually got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. It was cheaper than I found it at Meijer, so that's why I ended up getting it. And then it also makes iced coffee, which I'm sure most of them do, and 1 minute brew time. Now, the one thing about the Keurigs is that they're supposedly a lot faster than the other ones. The other one that I looked at was an espresso. The one about the Coffee Ninja, one of the negatives that a lot of people said is that it's really, really loud, which I don't really care, and it also has a longer brew time, which, I mean, what's the difference between 1 and 4 minutes, right? But this is what I ended up buying. Now, I'm going to unbox this in a second. I wanted to show you all of the K-Cups that I have. So, I also bought these little cups. These were $9.99 at, my ring light is so intense in here. These were $9.99 at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I thought that my husband, I bought him his best friend one for, I hate price tags on stuff. I bought his best friend one for Christmas, and she really, really likes it. It's a little bit bigger than this, but so they could, you know, like drink wine out of it, but I also thought it would be great for coffee. So, because it says it can use it hot or cold. We'll take off the price tag later. So there's that. Clean up as you go. Okay, somebody sent me this coffee pod that's called the Blackout, and it's supposed to be super, super intense. I've never tried it, but I'm going to try that one of these days. Now, these are the ones that I have open already. I have the Starbucks Fall Blend, Hearty and Spice. I better put these back over here because they're going to take up everywhere. I have, this is my favorite, is the Blonde Sunrise Blend from Starbucks. It's my favorite. Some of these are old, and I'm going to have to look and see which ones are bad. I have the Sleepy Time tea. Okay, what else do I have? I have this Horchata Cappuccino Blend. Cafe Indulgencia. Like my body. I loved Anna Nicole Smith. Anna Nicole. This is from somebody that sent this to me from Louisiana. It is community coffee, and what's really funny is that years and years and years ago, I went down there while I was helping put together a treatment program, and we went to all these treatment programs in Louisiana, halfway houses and stuff, and everybody down there drank community coffee. And so when somebody sent this to me, I was so, so excited, and I love this. This is what I've been drinking most days these days. Okay. And then I have this Peet's Coffee decaffeinated, because I like to just have some decaffeinated coffee around the house. And then I have this pecan pie, which is just real basic. I think it might be Meijer brand, Archer Farms. And then I have this Peet's Coffee Costa Rica Aurora. I always just want to buy new ones. Like, I'm obsessed with the K-Cups. And I have this hot apple cider. I've actually used most of these. There's only 3 left in here. So the hot apple cider was hot tamales. And then I have the salted caramel hot cocoa, in case you want to have hot chocolate on a good, day. Now let me tell you the ones I just recently bought. So I bought some of these at the Meijer, and I bought the Krispy Kreme glazed donuts, I think, at the Meijer. You can see it's like glazed donuts. That ring light is so powerful, isn't it? And then I bought, at the Bed Bath & Beyond, people have been recommending to me Tim Hortons coffee, of which I've never tried, so I got that. That might be my thumbnail. And then I got some green tea, because I want to have some green tea around the house, because it's supposed to be good for you. I have tons up there, but... And then I bought this Starbucks Toasted Graham. Can you guys see it with the ring light? The ring light is so bad. And then I bought the Starbucks Creme Brulee. I don't even have place for all this, okay? All my candle waxes are down here. This is the only drawer that I have in the whole place for my coffee pods. And then I bought this Bigelow Lemon Ginger Tea, because Alex likes tea sometimes, and I do too. So then this will give him, a way to have some, lemon tea around the house. Okay, so let's open the box. Tucker is right here next to me. He's like, what is going on, Dad? I know, Tucker, it's so exciting. Well, you can't see me right now because I'm standing up, but hold on a second. I want to pull this out. Do you ever listen to the same song all day long? I've been listening to the same song all day long, and it's stuck in my head. I don't even know how to pronounce it. It's Gualapego or something like that. My brother-in-law always listens to it. Oh my God, more K-Cups. So when I opened it, I got coffee and hot cocoa selection, a little 6-pack here that you get. And then take this off. Something just fell out. Okay, you guys ready? I'm so excited. Now you know how clumsy I am, so I'm scared to death while I'm filming this. I'm gonna drop something on the ground. Oh my gosh. It's like Christmas, but not, Tucker. Okay. So here's all this stuff, the directions. Can you see me? Hi! Okay, here we're gonna put this to the side. I think this is where you put the water. Yeah. Has all this tape on it so it stays together. And then take this. So pretty. I'm so excited for a new Keurig. Oh my god, I've been waiting forever. This, and I'm getting a new microwave too one of these days. We've been putting that off forever. A new microwave. I think this is, I'm gonna have to clean this all out and stuff like that, so I can't actually show about making a cup of coffee, but I'll let you guys know. Here, this is the water thing, I think. Does this come out fully? This is why I'm always breaking things. Okay. I mean, there's 9 million pieces of tape on all this, so. Oh, there's more tape back here. Actually, like a year ago, I bought this stuff to clean out your Keurig, and it's still in my, it's still in my garage. So maybe I'll do that now with my old Keurig and see if it'll work. I don't know what's over here. That's just tape, more tape. God, this thing has more tape on it than anything I've ever seen in my entire life. So this is what it looks like when you're done. And it says on top here, here, I'll show you. Let's set it down right here. It has the on-off button, and then it has up and down, and it has hot water. You can just make, or strong. And it has the different sizes of coffee, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if you want to make it iced, which is what I'll be doing right there, you push that right there. See? Easy iced coffee. Easy peasy iced coffee. Ah, please. Don't fall apart. Oh my god. Okay, so here we go. It's so pretty, isn't it? Oh my god. This is a 5 out of 5. And I haven't even taken, I don't know what this is. What is this thing right here? My achy breaky heart. Boot scootin' boogie. Tucker just ran out of the room. Okay, let's see what all this is. Where are my directions? My directions. Okay. Don't just start opening stuff before you know what it is. Okay, English. Soak the water filter, cartridge in water for 5 minutes and rinse for 30 seconds. So I guess this goes in. Using the arrow, squeeze both tabs. So this is for the water filter. Here it is, looks like this. And then you're gonna put it in here. And then you put this in the bottom of the water tap, like right there. So it filters out the water and makes it clean. Oh, I like that. My old one didn't have that. So I really like this. I will give you guys, on things that I try on here that I unbox, like I never talked about the Pure, but I still want to talk about the Pure. So I will actually do a whole video, sometime probably in the next week or two, where I do an update on the Keurig and I show you guys how it works, and I do an update on the Pure because I haven't done that, and some other things that I unbox, and then I will tell you like what I've thought about it since I've been using it. Would you guys like that? So anyway, so let me know what you think about my new Keurig. I know people are gonna be like, you should have bought the Coffee Ninja. I know people are gonna be like, the pods are bad for the environment, but we're gonna recycle them. But anyway, this is what I wanted. I've been like dreaming of this. You know, like the thing is, I don't go and just like buy stuff left and right. Like I go and look and look and look and look. Like we were at Meijer probably 2-3 weeks ago. My good Judy Tanya, she was like, just get it. She's like, you want it so bad. I was like, I know, but it's expensive. And she's like, just get it. She's like, you're gonna use the hell out of it. So I finally did. I'm so excited. I never knew I would be at the age where housewares make me happy, but they do. So anyway, I love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, be kind to one another. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.